I'm Dr. Ali from Kenya. I come from Nairobi, but I live in the I work in the north side of the country. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. At least every other year we are like, this month I'm going for mass course. Every other time we are like, I'm going for minimum invasive surgery. But the time has come because we only given yearly 1 month of leave. So at least this, I've said, I have to sacrifice and come and at least learn the techniques, learn the basics first, then because the learning curve always continues, whether you are a senior surgeon, whether you are a junior surgeon, because the greatness of a man is determined by the cost he's living for and the cost he's willing to pay for that cost. So the greatness was to come first and then make sure at least I give the course so much greatness so that at least I learn. And I'm very happy that I chose Samasti because it's a theater patient life driven